Hello YouTubers, we're going to forest right now. So that is gonna be in my eyes and ears. Let's go. First person view. Alright. Stay away from that. There's nothing. Cookies. Alright. Beer. Beer. With cookies. Alright. Cobblestone road. Oh, a sword. Or a stick. There we go. Civilization right there. Alright. Need to hide. It's a dog. Alright, seems like that dog. Person. Okay, that's there. Not on a leash, so that's bad. Need to stay hidden. That dog get a hold of us, you don't know what kind of mind he got. Stay close. Alright. Let's move closer. Big jump. You can do this. Oh. The dog is over there. Alright. Get out, get out. Alright. Yes. Oh god, there's two. Okay. Yeah. Hellhounds. Okay, we got three. Yeah, I'm scared. Okay, so they're right there. Move quietly. Got a brown hellhound and two browns and one black. There we go. You ran in there. That one black hellhound moving close. There we go. Going to the car. All right, we're in the forest. Going to this forest biome. Go roots. Main roots. It's on the water. Oh. Nah. Okay, we're almost tripped on these pathways. They call dog. We need to go. Finally. Right. Okay, I am lost. Alright, guys. Okay, it might be send me. Stuck right here. I don't think you guys can see. Probably need to do some video editing. Okay. Alright. Mushrooms. Means water or fungus. There we go. Fungi. Scientific word. Let's get some food. We don't need that. But I eat mushroom. Alright. No, I'm not touching those. Fabric. There's a lot of clothes up in here. Plastic. In the Home Depot and everything. A hole right there. Okay. Quiet. Keep your wits about you. Alright. Go a pathway. Oh God, there go that dog right there. Right. If you go. Oh God, it's coming. Run, run, run. My God. It's like we're gonna die. We're gonna die. We are going to die. Oh God. Alright. Okay, to go one. Alright, we're gonna die, YouTubers. Alright, we guys are gonna die. Alright, salt. Subscribe. Okay. I got that dog right there about to kill me. And two right there. Okay. Okay. Alright, different to go. Here we good. We're good. We need to get out of here right now. You get up a weapon. Oh God, here he comes again. Or she, you never know. Alright. I am shaking up right now. Left the weapon right here somewhere. I'm still shaking. Alright. Pretty good. We need to go find that weapon. That's a bit stick right there. Alright. Oh God, I'm so scared. Right up here. Like a pathway out of here. You know what? Oh God, there goes that dog right there. Oh God, we went in there. Okay. There go the dog's owner right there. Okay, it's disgusting. There he goes right there, right there, right there. Yes. Got a weapon. Need to make it back to the base. Here, we can do this. Nobody walking there. Demon dog. Apparently doesn't like me for some reason. Alright, let's go up these stairs. I came here with this weapon and I'm going out of line with it. Okay, so when one followed, need to go back to the base and get some food. Alright, we get to danger parts. Both ways in this walk. Going to YOLO it. Okay. So I left something right there. Gatorade. Alright, use Gatorade. Probably blueberry. Here go a car. Right there. Alright, got in low phone space. Base right up there. Cross that line. Let's go. Okay. Go. Breathe on me. Breathe. 2, 1. Alright, so we made it. Alright. Made it home. Stay tuned for part 3. Bye.